Well, this morning is our last morning here on the Hard. Got the pine trees behind me, sitting in the boatyard. About 1 o'clock, they'll be coming by with the big crane rig thing and picking her up and bringing her to the water. So it's splash day. This is the last project under the boat. This will be hopefully the last time we see the underside of the boat for a while now. As I've been thinking about this day and just a little nervous about the whole situation, it's something new and doing new things is always a little hard for me. But I remembered back when I used to play volleyball. I played volleyball for a really long time and would get pretty nervous, especially before big games and whatnot. But then as soon as you step on the court and the whistle blows, that's it, no more nervous. It's time to go and get focused and know that you can do this, you got this. So that's kind of my mentality for today too. Like once we hit the water, that's it, it's go time, no more nerves, we can do this. So I'm thankful I have a bunch of gals who are praying for me today, and I'm so thankful for that. And I know it's gonna be a fun day, and gonna go for it. So we'll try and get some footage for you. Again, being nervous, so it's hard to remember to start the camera when you're busy thinking about other things, but we'll do our best to get some footage for you all.
So we're about to put the boat in the water, and this has been a dream for almost 15 years to be able to do this. And we've had other boats, but none that we could cruise on. So I'm pretty excited, but I'm also a little bit nervous. And I'm hoping that all of our training on smaller boats will help us with this one.
We're sailing. You notice it's nice and quiet. Motor's off. We got 2 sails up and we're doing it. We've got 2.5 knots. That's just enough for me.